Hey, good afternoon, class, and welcome back. I hope you had a safe and enjoyable weekend. So today we got a question as to the legal relevance of a Facebook Messenger conversation that was shared with us over the weekend. In court, unfortunately, this recording would be considered hearsay, and you're going to be responsible for what the definition of hearsay is. You can see that term over my shoulder there on the whiteboard. But for all intents and purposes, hearsay evidence is testimony from an under oath witness who is reciting an out of court statement that either they overheard or had with another person. It is information gathered from a third party, and that third party is an unsworn party. And by unsworn, I mean they are not under oath. So they can pretty much say whatever they want under the sun. And no one in this particular recording is under oath. As a matter of fact, I think they're sitting at home having a conversation. Unfortunately, at this point, this particular recording, a court of law would consider this to be pure conjecture and hearsay. If the recording was attempted to be offered in as evidence in a court of law, it would definitely be objected to by the opposing counsel, and it would not be permitted to be evidence of anything at all. In court or in the legal process and procedure, these statements that aren't from anyone who is under oath and subject to the penalty of perjury and or contempt of court mean nothing. They can say whatever they want for as long as they want. The court will not entertain testimony like that. In order to be heard, you have to be sworn. And in a court of law, this would just be a conversation had between two people. In court, again, hearsay is defined as the words that are spoken that are being offered to prove the truth of the matter that is at issue, and it is unsworn testimony in this specific case. And in most courts, hearsay evidence is inadmissible, that meaning not admissible, unless an exception to the hearsay rule applies. You'll be responsible for the definition of what hearsay is coming up on Wednesday when we have a brief quiz in class. Thank you for your time, and I hope you're keeping up with the reading assignments as they're assigned on the syllabus. Thanks.